This video chart presentation of Mustang Alliances Inc. brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. Mustang Alliances is a bulletin board listed company trading under ticker MSTG. So U.S. technical stock to watch this week. Came through the middle last week, held a support level, moved up on Thursday and Friday, came back out again on Monday. Nice volume, pushed again up another almost 13%. It's a very bullish looking chart. See, taking a look at the indicators, MACD's pulling back some. Stock fell from highs of $1.48. You have to expect a retracement that's healthy in a chart. We always talk about wanting to see it hold above zero. It's the most bullish of a retracement. Histogram bar is trending back, just dropped a bullish cross. So the MACD is maintaining a bullish look. Similar look with the PPO. ADX, really like to see this start to get some upward push to it. Start to show some real strong strength of direction. That ADX registering below 20 says it's in a trading pattern, not in a true trend. I'd like to see it push back over top of 20 and certainly 30 to show a real strong trend. Money flow index, sharp climb again with recent buying pressure. That's kind of to be expected. It's good to see that the accumulation distribution, though, just keeps trending higher. Seeing that helps reinforce the idea it's not being held up with small little buys and bigger sells. This tells you that the buying pressure is heavier than the selling pressure. That's reiterated in shaken money flow. Many months now holding well in the green. CCI, it's broken its downtrend, moving back towards 100. Per definition of the CCI, the buy point would be the break of 100. Full still, moving quickly, breaking back through 50, showing a lot of momentum's coming into play. And the tricks, kind of like the MACD, like to see it hold over top of zero. RSIs, of course, they've taken off again. Stock's made better than a 30% move in the last 3 days. So I expect to see that RSI up high. I like to see the fact that on the retrace it held right around that 50 mark. For me, on retracements, that's an important thing to see. It's an overall sign of bullishness. And now the 7's breaking up over top of 70, what momentum traders call the power zone. That's where they'll like to see it. I don't really become concerned with an overbought situation with just the 7 pushing through. 14 and 21 still have plenty of room to rise. A few things I think are really technically sound with this chart. 50-day moving average on a firm uptrend. 200-day moving average is now rotated. It's trending upward as well. The most bullish of charts are trending over top of the 50 and 200-day. That's exactly what MSTG is doing. When the price per share doesn't want to break below that, that 50-day serving as a real strong source of dynamic support right now. And it does tie right in with some static support right there around 95 cents. If this stock does make some sort of drastic retrace, that would be the bottom support I'd be looking for, because there's not a lot in sight beyond that until you get down to 75 cents, certainly all the way back down here around 55 cents. But because of the strength of this trend and the rotation of the MACD, and the RSI showing a lot of momentum in the play, I'm looking for this to try and continue an upward push. And yesterday's movement pushed through a little bit of resistance right there at $1.25. And now there's not really any more in sight until it goes up here and challenges these old highs around $1.48, $1.50. That's still pretty sizable. That's more than 10% from where it closed at yesterday. But importantly, if that happens, it's continuing to make higher highs and higher lows and solidifying the firm uptrend that the stock is in. As I mentioned, volume's pretty strong in this, 1.3 million shares traded. That's a good day yesterday. I'd want to see that volume stay strong, see if it's going to take out this top. If it does blow through it, any sort of pullback, classic TA fashion, I'd want to see that resistance level become support, stock continue to make a higher low, and then potentially try and move again. Very sound technical chart though, in a nice uptrend, and one we'll have our eyes on to see how it performs the rest of this week. But as always, it's merely my interpretation of the Mustang Alliances chart. I'm not a financial consultant and strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website, view the full disclaimer disclosure, and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or its video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thank you for watching and trade smart.